Yo, what's up everybody? Back with some more Lowheat here. Today opening some Nike Stussy collabs. Stussy, Stussy, let me know in the comments how you pronounce it. I know there's a correct way, I know there's a wrong way, I know there's a way everyone says, which is Stussy. Let me know what you think. But before I get to opening these, let's just real quick do this unboxing first, a little bonus unboxing. I got this in from Curated Van on Instagram. Some of you people may follow their account. He does older vintage Jordans, Dunks, etc. Hard to come by. Older classic Nike shoes, and they had this pair of Dunks listed for a steal on their website, and they had a little like 10% sale going on, so I had to cop these. And they didn't have a box. These are from 2003. These are from 2003. Dunk highs, which I like. I like Dunk highs a lot. I like Jordan 1s a lot. And these are very similar. Dunk highs are very similar to Jordan 1s. Okay. Sorry, sometimes I forget to look through the viewfinder to see if what I'm showing is on camera. These are pretty. Oh, these are sick. These are great. So I got these for $150. $150. Let's get this other shoe out here. All right. $150. Steal. Worn, obviously. No box. These brown Dunk highs, 2003. They have a leather collar on the inside. Fairly, a little wear. Sole's a little worn, but for $150, 2003 Dunks. I mean, I don't think you can go wrong. So, anyways, check Curated Van out on Instagram. They're based out of Vancouver. These I think are really sick. These I think I commented on the page, the Instagram page. If these were dropped tomorrow, and they were a collab with someone, for example, Bodega, which has kind of the same color vibes as the one that's releasing here in a few days. But if these were dropped tomorrow with a pre-vintage look, yellowed soles, this brown, and then you just slap another designer's name on the label here, these would be sold out and going for $400 easy. $500 dead stock, easy. But because, these aren't a collab, they're actually older, they're actually vintage, these are a steal. So, anyways, check out Curated Van. Dope page. This dope shoes. Hard to get, older sneakers. So, anyways, there's that. Speaking of following and such, make sure to subscribe to this channel here. Hit the subscribe button right now. It's really easy to do. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, and follow me on Instagram. Same handle, Lowheat Fancy Pants. And if I get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a special Lowheat buy, which you guys can help pick, and then I'll unbox and give a review here on the channel. So I'm trying to get to 100. At 60. Thank you for following. But this right here, we'll start with this. This is the drop that happened recently with the Air Force Ones, and I picked up a few things. Wasn't able to cop the Air Force Ones, but I was able to grab this T-shirt. I think it's pretty dope. Let's take it out of the bag here. I got green. So this is kind of the classic Stussy City logo design, and with the Nike check in the middle. It's a heavy material, definitely higher quality than just a normal Nike t-shirt. So that's cool. Can't wait to try this on. I like the green. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's definitely a brighter green, not a duller faded green. It's green, pine green. So they're those. I hate ordering stuff, just a few items and paying shipping, so I just stuck these tie-dyed stocks in the cart. I'm sure other people are the same way as me. Sometimes it pains me to pay full shipping on just like 2 items. So these socks are cool. Should I try these on? Maybe I'll try these on. Live trying on. You guys can see my feet. Bonus foot video for you feet people. And then I got one more thing. So this is for the girlfriend for Christmas. So I gotta whisper, she's out in the other world. But I got this sick beanie. Anyways, maybe I'll post that, her and that, on my Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram. I'll put a picture up once she gets this. Again, I gotta be quiet. She doesn't know she's getting this. All right. And now to the main thing. So here we go. These are, again, I wasn't able to cop the Air Force Ones. I really wanted the Spirit on Cage, you know, the fossil colorway. Everyone does, they're reselling for a decent amount, so I'm probably not going to get those. I wanted the fossil Air Force Ones, even though I'm not an Air Force One guy, even though I'm wearing Air Force Ones right now. I'll get to these in a second. The black ones, though, the black ones are an affordable price. They're just a little bit over retail. I might get the black ones. It goes against two of the things I don't normally get, all black shoes and Air Force Ones, but they're pretty clean looking. They're not super expensive. So that's one of those pairs of shoes that would be an option if I get to 100 subscribers. Maybe I'll pick those up and do a review of them if you guys influence me that way. So these I got on Black Friday. These are the sandals, the Benassi sandals that I got. Again, Black Friday. These are not one of the new colorways that just dropped with the Air Force Ones. They're not black, green, or white. I got these from Atmos USA on sale Black Friday for a steal. They were like $25. I don't know. Under retail. Here's the hanger for them. Interesting. And here they are. So yeah, these retailed for like 30 something. Yeah, 35. Retailed for 35. And I got these, pretty sure I got these for 28 maybe. Maybe less. Maybe got these for 20. I don't know. They were on Atmos's Black Friday sale. So I like this colorway. It's a little loud for some people. They're super light. They seem comfy. I'm sure they will be. There's the bottoms. Soft foam upper portion. Nike there. You can see this. I hate when people in reviews list out everything that you can see. It's like, okay. I mean, details, being detailed is important, but like, okay. People can see that they use stitching here. Anyways, I did a parody-esque video of that, unboxing some Yeezys. It's like 2 videos ago. Check it out. Go check it out. Should I do a live try on? Not live, but should I try these on? Go ahead, click off if you don't want to see me try these on. I understand. Just doing it for the content. Back to what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing these Paranoise 2.0s, the G-Dragon collaboration. I did an unboxing video a couple videos back. Thanks for watching if you watched. This is my 3rd serious day of wearing them, and they're cracking a lot, as you can see. I'll do an on-feet review of these in like a couple weeks once I've worn them a bit more. But as you can see, I can't show you the outside, really. I'm kind of stuck in my filming spot here. But as you can see, I'll take my shit up. There we go. As you can see, they're already cracking a ton. Which, again, that's the purpose, that's the goal, that's what they wanted. But if people aren't sneakerheads, they may look at your shoes like they're busted and like give you a side eye as to what you're wearing. But I definitely noticed a couple people at the grocery store. They knew what these were. I saw them point. Some K-pop fans. Anyways, I think they're dope still. It's a little odd at first getting like, oh, wow, I really bought these this way. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see once more peels away. But they crack pretty easily, and they started wearing away the first day. So yeah, you can see right around the crease area. Here, let's try on the sock. All right. My foot's all sweaty. It's going to take a while to put this on. I'll only do one. Don't worry. I won't show you both feet. Quick. All right. I'll spare you the toes as best as I can. A little tight, but I also have giant feet. So if you're buying socks from Stussy's website, just be aware they're a little tight. Maybe these are women's? I don't know. No, I think I just have big feet. As you can see, I wear size 12. All right, there you go. There's the tie-dye socks. I dig them. They're comfortable. They look dope. They're just like a little small. I mean, again, these aren't like fully put on, but I'm not going to take up 2 minutes putting on these for a video. Anyways, there it is. I would definitely make sure you go a half size up, which I did. I'm normally 11.5. Like in these, I'm 11.5. But anything performance or sandal or anything, I go half size up. And that's what I would recommend here. So here they are. I'm kind of standing here in my like film position again. I'm kind of like blocked in. But I think it's a dope look. I like these sandals. They're definitely comfy. Will be easy to slide on, slide off. So yeah, anyways, make sure to subscribe, and I'll be back with some more Lowheat very soon.